Welcome to Afghanistan, a land where the ancient meets the modern, where landscapes narrate tales of history, culture, and enduring beauty. Today, we invite you to journey with us through the top 8 must-visit places in this captivating country. From the energetic streets of Kabul to the tranquil valleys of Bamiyan, let's explore the unseen beauty of Afghanistan. 1. Our exploration commences in Kabul, the pulsating heart of Afghanistan. This capital city is a striking blend of the old and the new, a place where echoes of a rich, 3,500-year-old history intertwine with the rhythm of modern progress. The Kabul Museum and the Gardens of Babur are must-sees, offering a serene escape from the city's hustle. 2. Next, we traverse to the Bamiyan Valley, a place where history and natural beauty coalesce. Though its ancient Buddha statues were tragically destroyed, the valley's allure remains intact, offering hiking, history, and the awe-inspiring Bandi Amir National Park. 3. Speaking of Bandi Amir, no trip to Afghanistan is complete without experiencing this natural spectacle. Often referred to as Afghanistan's Grand Canyon, its mesmerizing blue lakes and rich biodiversity make it a must-visit. 4. Our fourth destination, Herat, stands at the intersection of diverse cultures. The city's architectural marvels, the Friday Mosque and the Citadel of Herat, offer insights into its rich history and grandeur. 5. In Kabul, you'll discover the Gardens of Babur, a tranquil sanctuary amidst the city's hustle and bustle. This serene refuge, with its fountains and lush greenery, is a testament to Afghanistan's stunning beauty and rich heritage. 6. Our sixth stop, Balkh, once known as the Mother of Cities, invites you to step back in time. As you explore the ancient ruins and marvel at the Haji Piyada Mosque, you'll feel the city's resilient history beneath your feet. 7. For those with a spirit of adventure, the Wakhan Corridor offers unmatchable beauty. This narrow strip of land, flanked by majestic mountains, is a haven for wildlife and a paradise for trekkers. Our final destination, the enigmatic Minaret of Jam, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands tall amidst Afghanistan's rugged mountains. Its origins may be shrouded in mystery, but its grandeur and craftsmanship are beyond dispute. From the bustling streets of Kabul to the serene charm of Bandi Amir, Afghanistan is a land of diverse landscapes and deep-rooted history. So when the world welcomes you back, why not plan your next adventure in Afghanistan? Whether you're a history buff, a thrill seeker, or a casual traveler, there's something for everyone in this fascinating country. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more explorations. Until then, happy adventuring, folks.